what happens if every other region demands a ministry for their region? You know, I'm sure you are aware of what led to the creation of the Ministry of Niger-Delta region. It's a region that produces more than 80% of the resources of this country. And therefore, nothing can be too much to invest in that region. And when you consider the environmental impact, the degradation that the people of the Niger-Delta region and the suffering of the people of Niger-Delta region, you even find that the lifespan of an average Niger-Delta person, the average lifespan is very low because of the emissions that we inhale, the environmental impact. Look at the oil spill that just occurred a few days ago. So you know that there is nothing that would be too much to give to the region that produces the golden egg for this country. The issue is that people have deliberately underfunded that ministry since its inception. And we are calling for proper funding of that ministry. The East-West Road was started and funding has not even been provided for the road for the past 15 years. So we are therefore calling for proper funding of the ministry rather than just allowing the ministries to stay. We are calling for proper funding of that ministry so that it can be able to carry out its core mandate. You find that like last year, we are told that only a paltry 15 billion was allocated for the East-West Road. And what could 15 billion do on a road? They have started work on the bridge, but it can't go far. And if you don't pay contractors, they cannot do the work. So we are calling on proper funding of that ministry. We pray that NDDC should be allowed to function. I was one of those who made the laws, who made the law. It was made in my time in the Senate. But you find that subsequent administrations, people stay in Abuja to award contracts in the Niger-Delta region. And at the end of the day, those contracts, you could hear what happened when they went to the National Assembly the other time. You could hear the revelations. Those monies are not being utilized because the people that are put there in the affairs report to Abuja, and at the end of the day, you see nothing on ground. They should allow the people to work with the money that is made available in the Niger-Delta region.